Okay, welcome back. Last Friday we left off at 5,000 and it's been a good week. We're now at 6,000. Starting here with M1, $2,500. I added another 500. You can see the market's actually doing pretty good. At one point, I think last week I was down about 7.5%, and now we're down to negative 1%. We're at $10 loss. Not counting, it's $15, but it's $15.77, and I've had $5.77 of dividends so far. So that brings the total net to minus $10. So the market is picking up. I wasn't really planning on putting that much money this week into M1, but I'm trying to get in while the shares are a little bit cheaper. If it goes positive, then I'm buying shares at a premium compared to what I've been buying them at. So I snuck in there, found some extra cash to put in there, bring it up to $2,500. And then for F.I.R.E. again, I put another 500 in there. I put this first, and then I saw the market kind of picking up, and that's when I scraped together the other 500 for M1. But the thing I've noticed about F.I.R.E. is it takes about close to a week for the funds to settle. So I'll put money in, but I don't really see the difference in daily dividends until about a week, I'd say. So what you see now, $2,500, I'm not getting $2,500 worth of daily dividends. What I mean by daily dividends is every day you get something. When I started with $1,000, which is what you need to open an account, it was about 7-8 cents per day. Sometimes it would touch 10, 12 as I added a little more. Last night I got 17 cents, and I still have $500 outstanding that hasn't settled into the account. So I'm hoping to get about 20 cents maybe a day on average, which means that I'm getting at least $1 per week with F.I.R.E., which is kind of nice. Those little goals are nice to meet. $1, making $1 for your first dollar, right? So when I made my first dollar with F.I.R.E., that was kind of exciting. Now I'm at $1 per week, and then I'm trying to get to $1 per day, and then so on and so forth. And I've been matching. If you've noticed, I've been trying to match M1 and F.I.R.E. because I want to see what those two compare when you have the same money in both. I kind of feel that M1 is going to do a little bit better, but it's hard to say because with F.I.R.E., the appreciation is paid out quarterly. So you get dividends every day, and the dividends have been almost keeping up with M1, but that's without appreciation. So every quarter I'm going to get appreciation of the properties or the projects that are finished. The only thing is the properties don't really finish on a set schedule. It's not every quarter, so it just depends on the project completion. So if no project's completed, you might not get appreciation payouts every quarter. It might be the next quarter, every 2 quarters or something. But I don't know, because I haven't had this for more than a month. So I'll see after the first quarter. So in October, I'll see what an appreciation dividend looks like. And then I'll be able to kind of compare M1 to F.I.R.E. and I'm kind of curious to see how they stack up against each other on a dollar for dollar basis. And then if I just look at everything else, I have some money in my 401k, and I have some money in savings. Not much. I added a little bit. I think another $100 into savings. So altogether, with everything, I'm at $6,000, $6,007 to be exact. But I know that the stock market fluctuates, so $6,000. Good week, exciting week. I will probably put another investment in at the end of the month, let's say the last week of the month, because that's my next payday. So I'm hoping to be at, I don't know, maybe 6,500 by the end of the month. Good progress so far. Better than I expected, honestly. I mean, when I started in July, I thought I would be putting in a couple, maybe $100 a week. I didn't expect to put $6,500 in the first 6 weeks. So good progress. Thanks for watching the video, and I will be back with you guys on Monday.